A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in the ongoing legal saga surrounding Ghislaine Maxwell, the convicted sex trafficker is poised to invoke her Fifth Amendment rights during a deposition before the House Oversight and Government Reform Committee unless granted immunity. Last week, Maxwell had two extensive interviews with Todd Blanche, the Deputy Attorney General, discussing over 100 individuals linked to the notorious Jeffrey Epstein trafficking ring. The outcomes of these discussions are anticipated to be released at an unspecified time, leaving many to speculate about the implications for those involved. Meanwhile, the Oversight Committee has formally subpoenaed Maxwell to testify, but her legal team, led by attorney David Oscar Marcus, has made it clear that she will only comply if immunity is granted. This request, however, has already been dismissed by the committee, which is determined to proceed without such concessions. Marcus emphasized that Maxwell's potential testimony could jeopardize her ongoing appeal to the Supreme Court regarding her 2021 conviction for sex trafficking minors. He stated, "Ms. Maxwell is actively pursuing post-conviction relief, and any testimony she provides now could compromise her constitutional rights, prejudice her legal claims, and potentially taint a future jury pool." In light of this, Maxwell's legal team has requested that any appearance before the committee be scheduled only after the resolution of her Supreme Court petition and a forthcoming habeas petition. They also demanded that the deposition take place outside of FCI Tallahassee, where she is currently incarcerated, and that questions be submitted in advance to ensure a fair process. Despite these requests, a spokesperson for the Oversight Committee has reiterated that granting immunity is not an option. The committee's stance reflects a broader political landscape where Maxwell's involvement with Epstein and her subsequent conviction have drawn intense scrutiny. As the situation unfolds, it raises critical questions about the intersection of legal rights and political accountability. Maxwell's appeal to the Supreme Court hinges on a 2007 non-prosecution agreement that her attorneys argue should protect her from current charges. They contend that this agreement was violated after Epstein's death, positioning Maxwell as a scapegoat for the government's failure to hold Epstein accountable during his lifetime. The legal ramifications of her case continue to reverberate, not only for Maxwell, but for the many individuals implicated in the Epstein scandal. As the Oversight Committee prepares to move forward with its investigation, the implications of Maxwell's potential testimony remain uncertain. With the stakes higher than ever, both Maxwell's legal team and the committee are poised for a confrontation that could have lasting effects on the ongoing discourse surrounding sex trafficking and accountability in high-profile cases. The political implications of this case extend beyond Maxwell herself, as lawmakers grapple with the complexities of justice, privilege, and the need for transparency in cases involving powerful figures. As the date for her deposition approaches, all eyes will be on the unfolding drama in Washington, D.C., as Maxwell's legal team navigates the treacherous waters of congressional testimony amidst a backdrop of legal challenges and public scrutiny. In a climate where trust in the legal system is increasingly questioned, the outcome of this case could serve as a pivotal moment in the fight for justice and accountability in the wake of one of the most notorious sex trafficking rings in recent history. With the potential for explosive revelations and the possibility of new evidence coming to light, the coming weeks will be crucial in determining the trajectory of both Maxwell's future and the broader implications for those involved in the Epstein saga. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.